Hazrat Ali described about malice and jealousy as Man atrahal hikda istaraha qalbahu wa lubbahu. He who casts away grudge, his heart and mind are at peace. Innamal labibu man istasallal ahqad. A wise person removes rancor from the heart. Tayyibu qulubakum min al-hikd. Keep clean and free your heart from enmity. Find now da'un mubi, because that is epidemic. He said, Al-hikdo masarul ghadab, malice fuels anger. Laysa li hakudi khwatun, malicious keeps no friend. Hazrat Ali further said, three things don't make human life pleasant. Number one, malice. Number two, jealousy. And number three, bad mood. He mentioned Al-ajabu la ghaflatil husadi an salamatil ajsad. It is surprising that jealous is oblivious to physical fitness. Sehatul jasade min killatil hasad. Absence of jealousy is the cause of bodily health. Evil eye is also due to jealousy. Hazrat Ali said, the person who recites Ayatul Kursi and four quls in the morning and before going to bed at night will remain away from the evil eye.